electricity. Literally, I just had a power outage. Just like, what can I do, man? Just for 2 seconds, probably. And then it goes straight back on. Annoying. Annoying as hell. Get you guys the music back. Just a second, please. I get you guys the VM back. I get you guys everything back. Where's the music, though? Okay, music should be back on. Let me quickly check microphone voice. That's good. I'm not recording. Yeah, that's good. And let's go back. Rails. Crypto. Donate me. Rails says. Man, that's annoying. It's reminding you on like, hey, you're not invincible. Where is my chat? Chat, where you at? Chat. View. Docs. Chat. I'm not logged in. That's the pain. Shit. Am I even streaming? Am I even streaming? Seems like I am. Okay, then I put my chat here, then I have a bit of a chat. I really wonder, Undefies. Oh, that's no problem. You can GitHub. Wait, we just put this online. There's a RFC request for comment. I show you quick. We just put this on here. Where is this? How is this called? Crypto donate me. Here. I think we keep it open source. I think we keep it open source. Hey, I really don't understand this. Omnia's authorized path? Whew. Yeah, user Twitch. Shit, what, dude? Crazy as fuck. Okay, let's go back to the user, Abby. The user is not database. The user is not... Yeah, the user is registerable, but not recoverable. And he is not validatable, but he is omni-authorable. And he might be trackable in the future. Okay, so more routes. Okay, users sign up. Okay, new user session. I don't understand that, dude. Okay, device templates. Device hammer. My resolution. Oh yeah, absolutely. Is that my resolution or is that... is that... I'm not streaming full HD, right? Do I? No, I stream 1440. Okay, 1440 is good. Alright, good. Yeah, okay. Rylex, hey, what's up, buddy? See me struggle here today. Device bootstrap. Let's get that in these device bootstrap views quick. And they are the easiest. So nano gem file. And then we just copy those over. That's the best. And then the gem file, we can remove them again. Okay, now we got these. If I F5, what's happening? There you go. Bootstrap device, error message. We are in registrations new. And I need this to be hammer. Otherwise, I get cancer. With HTML, nope. So then here's gem hammer. We restart the server, save this and say app views device registrations new becomes hammer. Now that looks better. So this goes out. We don't need email, password lengths. No. We don't need any of this. We don't even need this. And actually, frankly, we also don't need that. So what we can do is, after we converted that, we say this. So the only question is shared links. There it is. Shared links. That's the bummer. Ah, yeah. Can I convert you also to hammer, please, buddy? You are, I don't know. Is it? Does it feel like 1440? I don't know. I have it full screen now, my stream. It looks pretty sharp though. Looks really good. Like, looks almost like reality. So, sign up. Yeah, we don't need that actually. Forgot your password. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need. And this we need, absolutely. So, let's see if he's thrown an error. Link to. Okay. Link to sign in with provider, absolutely. And then OmniAus authorize path. That's the one we don't have anymore. So the question is, OmniAuthorize path. We don't have that. It's user Twitch OmniAuth. Okay, I get it. Let's make this helper ourselves quick. Helpers and then def. And then binding pry, which we don't have yet. So let's bring this in, nano gem file. And then here we don't call bybug, we call gem binding, no, pry rails as our debugger, and then rails s again. So guys, if you have ideas for the project or something, man, just shout it out. We are always happy to hear that. So resource name and provider. Perfect. So what we can do, yeah. What we can do is then we send this path. So user, this becomes a string, and we then say resource name, and then we call provider. Is there anywhere that method in device def? I want to find that. OmniAus, we need to get this thing only. I don't need to see. I just need to have this URL helper. Where is that from? Ah, see, instead of building this myself, which I totally was capable of. There it is. So then let's go. You are about to leave Twitch. Let's go. Huh. I expected different. And Mixer is apparently broken here. But that's at least something I did expect. But here on Twitch, am I logged in? Oh, I'm logged in. That's shitty. Let's log out. That's important. We need to log out. That's very, very important. So, sign up with... yeah, whatever. Sign up with Twitch. So, that is good. We end up here. Tim Van Monero. Oh, it works perfect. It works perfect. Watch out. What happened to the job offer? Which job offer, buddy? I got a job. I signed a contract. I signed that I give them all my energy, all my skills, and that I give them all my attention. So I'm not sitting in the office and play phone. No, I signed a contract with that company in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. And yeah, super... I'm looking forward for that, man. I mean, it will be super cool. I mean, it's a great project what they work on. ESG ratings for real estate. So that's about sustainability. Yeah, I read the company guidelines for employees, how we have to act and stuff, and they say something like, driving to the office with a car is discouraged. They discourage you to do that. That's good. I mean, currently my company has job openings for climate change researchers. Like, hey, we definitely, they go for the future, man. Sustainability is huge in the future, man. Like that's the thing. That's the trend. So yeah, I'm happy to and you know what's crazy, man? With all this drama that I got on Honeypot when the companies contacted me, fuck them all, man. And that was actually the first company I applied was Bitpesa, the Bitcoin company in London. They're full of shit. You know, they came with like this shitty salary of 50,000. I'm like, what is this, a joke, dude? Even though they write 65,000 in their application, in their job offer, I'm like, what? You talk about 50,000? Was that a joke, dude? And then the second company I applied was actually that company in the Netherlands. And yeah, and then I applied Coinbase, and I applied somewhere else. I don't know. So I wrote like 6 applications and got a job. So there you go. Code, damn it, dude, chill out. No, 50. So let's check the redirect, dude. Wait, Twitch actually cried around and said, yeah. So wait, for my OAuth, I need to set up my redirect URL. device OAuth redirect URI. And then, yeah, I have to say, isn't it that way? Device callback URL. Dude, isn't that also funny? I'm talking with my viewers and somebody say, dude, fucking work, and I go to work. God damn it, Tim. Get a life, dude. So, callback provider. Okay, and then this is the callback URL. Okay, let's go in Omni auth and then call back URL, and we say auth Twitch. Okay, and then that goes to, wait, I have to put that into my Twitch application thing. Dev Twitch apps. Let me just put that redirect URL in. URL is /auth Twitch. That looks better, I guess. Okay, I put that in, and /auth Twitch, restart server, and reg /auth Twitch. So that's actually then the, nah, that's what I need. The fuck is this path through thing, dude? Okay, wait. That's my URL. HTTP. Okay, now we good. And then that sounds better, right? Like theoretically, logically, thinking, speaking. I don't know. Okay, let's try that again. We are here. We say login. So what's my redirect URL? Redirect path. Authorized client. No, that's not me. There, users. Nah. I don't know. Tim Van Monero. Yeah. Uninitialized constant users. It's user, bro. Now what the heck? Users OmniAuth callbacks controller. That should exist by default. I get a get on users auth Twitch callback. Oh, there it is. Sorry, controllers. Wait, I have to build that myself. Routes. Sorry. Yeah, users. Can I say just... Yeah, it's okay. So let's make our own controller. Controllers and then Omni Auth controller. Class Omni Auth controller. Application controller. And then there's a dev Twitch. And there we pry this. And this comes from that one. He does something like that. Add user is your from OmniAuth, sure, but we don't have that yet. And then we don't need this, and then we need basically that binding pry. Let's have a look what's in there. That's all what's left over. Congratulations. And then have a look, guys. Yeah, that's failure. Authorized, that's failure as well. Or no. So request env. And then Omni auth. Okay. So let's play with this, guys. We need hash is that. Okay. And we can say provider, nah. We say user find from auth by OAuth hash. If user is user by OAuth, and then else here's exists and else create. And then here we have to do basically user is user create, and we can say then provider is hash provider and UID is hash of UID, and then we say create user RB. These ones, something like that we need. Name is hash of provider of a hash of info, and then we say name, and email is the same on here, email, and nickname, nah, name is good, description image good, URL is hash of info of URLs, of Twitch. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, maybe we need that. I don't know. Okay, and then the next step is to say token is hash of credentials of token, and then refresh token is the refresh token. Okay, and now the master of multi stuff. Okay. I wonder if this could be something like good. User valid. True. So that is okay. We put that down here. I wonder if you guys see my token now. Does that get fucked up? There's nothing you can do with it. No, actually you can, right? If you have my token. So I have to expire that. No, there's nothing we can do because you guys can only do anything with that in relation to the application scope. So if you have a different application, you get a different token. Okay, user by OAuth hash. Let's go in user RB and say def self by OAuth. And we say hash. And we say find by provider is hash of provider. And UID is hash of UID. Okay. And then we say sign in user. And redirect to root path. Haha. Yeah. But then here also is this. If not, nah, if user unless at user, then we can say at user is that, and then something like sign in at user. And then a flash blah. Does that look good to you guys? Oh, it seems like okay. Okay, create user with that stuff, and then we can basically say at user is that or. Welcome to Ruby, guys, where you read shit like that, you feel like, what? You go from a if-else statement to shit like that? Yes, absolutely. Okay, alternatively, the question is also, when the user updates his Twitch name, his UID stays, so he's in the same account. And then we have to update his name. But that stuff we do in the future, man. That's nothing we care about now. Sign in user, redirect to root path. Good. Let's go and say routes and say root to, and then pages start page. And then what this is pages start page. Let's have a look quick. Can we call this login controller? Login controller, thank you. I like that more. Login controller. Login. Because we don't need this device shit here anymore. Fuck that. Nah, fuck. Fuck, we don't need that at all. So pages start page, pages controller RB, class pages controller, application controller. Oh. And then def start page. And then we make here folder view pages start page hammer, say start page in a H1, and then unless current user, we are not logged in, and then if and then here's something like link to logout. Well, let's try that. That's failing as F. We need to restart this, I guess. So, what is that? Resource name. Yeah, resource name. We are not logged in. Log in. And we are logged in actually. Can you guys see that? We are logged in. Let's be real. We created a user. We set up sign account. We are logged in. There is no doubt about that. We are logged in, guys. And then let's kill the cookies quick. Localhost. Okay, now I need to... We are not logged in. Log in with Twitch again. It's okay, buddy. Calm down, dude. Request SMS, dude. Chill out, mate. Don't make a drama, bro. It's just a SMS, dude. And we are logged in. So that was the easiest thing to integrate Twitch OAuth. You guys got questions? How long did that take? Okay, it should be a little bit faster than FML. So let's tune this quick. Rake routes. Because there's shit we don't need anymore. Yeah, this sign up thing we don't need anymore. Fuck. I wonder what registerable does do actually. Registerable, let's read this again quick. Ah, we don't need that. Yeah, perfect. So all we have now is our root path and then literally just stuff for OmniHouse. That's it. I have one question. Yeah, this is what we get. We get the code, the scope, and a state. And then that's then how we go on and get our, then we ping back to Twitch and get our OAuth hash back. So, perfect. Yeah, fuck. That's better. That was quick and dirty, guys. So this becomes also a hammer. Good. And then yeah, link to, and then we need something like def logout, and then it's sign out current user. And current user, I think there's a method for get. I'm not sure about that. And then redirect to. And then in my routes, I say get logout to log in, log out. Sounds stupid, but let's keep it as logout. And then here is linked so that should be good now. So Rails Estes. Lockout now. Kill the session. Could not find device mapping for path lockout. What? Oh, wait. What? Routes? What am I doing wrong here? Lock in. Oh, okay. Destroy sessions path. Oh, code review on Honeypot. So there was this company, they do legal tech. And they told me to. So the interview starts and she say, "Hi Tim, I give you a key and a DNS entry." I'm like, yo, what? So she sends me a key, SSH PAM, and then also an IP address, and I have to log in, which is somehow Amazon Cloud. And then I say username. She say, "You need to know this is part of your challenge." I'm like, what the fuck? So it's easy to user, but you know, based on what installation you have, it's not easy to user. So I literally have to guess. And then she say, "Yeah, here's a project. We need refactoring." I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, there are tests, and you also need to bypass then the Robocop. And I'm like, okay, can I download this quick? She say no download. I'm like, what? Wait, what? Yeah, she literally wants me to I don't know. She either wants me to develop on the server, which is so stupid, or do it with a remote directory, which I didn't even think about at that time. So yeah, so I have 1 hour time, and in between I lose connection to the server, which is really annoying. And then like really annoying, like that took so much time, just losing connection to the server. I had my own SCP script, so I took some files, 2 files locally into my editor so I can hack them out, and then I make an SCP script to upload them, and I forgot, like, because I splitted those files, and I forgot those files to I forgot some file in my SCP, and then I SCP this, and this always takes 30-40 seconds to upload 5 files. Small files, dude, can you imagine? And then yeah, it just took so much time, this setup that they gave me, man. And then I'm running tests, and then your specs failing, and I'm like, this is like a 600 line of code spec. 600 lines of specs. Can you imagine? 300 lines of data setup, and then 300 lines of shared examples. And I'm just like running over it and just trying to figure out. I do understand what they do, but it's quite complex, especially if you see it the first time, right? And then I'm like, okay, let me just install Pry here in the gem file. And then I was running specs, and then getting the debugger ready there, and like, can you imagine that? I debug in a spec, in a test, on a server, in order to see what the data is. Can you imagine that? How horrible that is. And then she say, yo, we have 3 more minutes, and I think, so that was the most unprofessional code challenge you could ever do. That is ridiculous. It's similar to the guy on YouTube here, Code Reel, Grind Reel is his name, when he say that I'm really confused. When he said he had a code challenge where they say, yeah, here, do something. He's like, yeah, okay, let me Google this quick. They say, no Google. He's like, wait, what? And then he took his laptop and he hacked some, and then HR say, I can hear you are typing, you can't do this. He say, okay, let's stop this bullshit, bye. That's kind of like it. Okay, we can say get lockout to sessions logout as logout. Okay, let's make a new quick controller here. Logout controller RB. Alright, is that a thing? Sessions controller. Did I call this logout controller? Tim, are you stupid? So now we good. Ours Twitch. We are logged in, log out now. Bye bye. Okay, perfect. Good. Shit is working. So how do I get my shit? Dev mixer. Mixer.io devs. dev.mixer.com. Wait, how was that? Integrate a game, build, query your API. Yeah, that's what we need. How to log in here with devmixer.com? Dude, the F. Does anybody really know how this works? Well, I'm logged in, but DevLab. Ah, your client ID. To call Mixer, you first need to create an OAuth application. Yeah, let's create one. Okay, I have to do this quick, guys. So you don't see anything, right? Let's go in and say .env. That's crazy why that is always empty, dude. And then mixer client ID is that, and then mixer secret is that. So what is this host? Localhost 3000. Website is crypto. And that is crypto donate me. Website must be a valid URL. So that mixer is weird. Oh, must be a wildcard name. What the F? Dude, what? That's weird, man. So they say oh, I can LVM me? No shit. The F, dude. I don't know. Let's try that shit out. Route Twitch. Oh, why not? Locking controller. And then Dev Mixer, yeah. And then I show you some tricks that I learned from the past. So how does that work? Good. Okay. Restart the server. Rails S the shit out of this. Wait, we need, before we do this, OmniAuth. Mixer. Good. Let's try that out. Fuck, dude. Sign in with Microsoft. How the F do I know my Microsoft shit? Oh, damn, boy. I have no effing clue. Back to Mixer. Shroud is streaming for 5,000 people. Can you imagine that? He normally streams for 20, 30, 40,000 people. What a downgrade. My account. How do I see that? Unlink your Microsoft account. What? I guess this is my Microsoft account. I have no fucking clue. Yeah. Get code, bro. That is so annoying here with these. Oh, damn it, man. So do we get an email from Microsoft or not? There it is. That we did. Can you imagine that? Makes me so angry. I literally just changed it, dude. Why I have to log in now? Keep me signed in, bro. Okay, now we are in Mixer. Redirect. Localhost 3000. Shit. So we go back to DevLab and try to fix that shit. Okay, I think what we can do is we can do the following. Sudo echo crypto donate me in /etc hosts. Do you guys agree with that? Sudo su, and then it's this cat /etc hosts grab.me crypto donate me. Perfect. And then I think because we called this thing crypto donate me, now we can call this with crypto donate me. Huh. That's bad. If I go localhost 3000, he's going. If I go crypto donate me, that's bad. Oh, it's sorry, it's the other way. It's first IP and then now it's better. Okay. And then development RB. Okay, one more time. That's the annoying thing, the setup stuff. But you do this only once and then that just works, man. So, sign in with Mixer. Let's see if that shit works. Oh, Mixer, you so fucking retarded, dude. Oh man, where is my food? I get mad now. Shit, Mixer, dude. Mixer, GTFO, bro. Like, who even uses you? Who even uses Mixer? These. Damn, son. What? There is no secret and these are the settings that I'm using? What the fuck? Hosts? Localhost is working? He told me fuck no. Literally I did the same. I say host, you say ah, I'm good. So now is localhost. Oh, that's shit working? Fuck me. Mixer, asshole. So we approve, and then we got a hash. Let's have a look quick. Suspended true false. Nice, bro. Oh, that's a lot of stuff, dude. Like, you can really say, why am I supposed to see how much sound volume or whatever you have? effing crazy. I don't know, man. So, lock and controller, dev mixer, huh? What happens when I do this? The exact same thing, or user new? The exact same thing. What's happening? So, do I have user UID, name, user email, user URL? Nil. Okay. So we can say hash that's good. And then we can basically say hash. Nice. So we can say this. Watch out. I have the idea, man. Def self auth with OAuth, and then here we say with OAuth of mixer. And here's with OAuth of Twitch. And then we literally put that over in here. And then we can say provider, then here is provider to as capitalize. So if I say, for example, provider is mixer, and I say this, then I get fucking nothing. Then I get that actually. That looks cool, huh? So that should be universal. And then if there's ever a third streaming platform, it's basically you add like here YouTube and shit is working. Login with OAuth. User by OAuth provider. So, and now we got the great. No, that's request end. Oh, that's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. Hope my food is coming soon, dude. Hungry. Okay, let's run this. Let's throw an exception here. That is failing. It must fail, dude. That can't be. Wow. Well, so then we do in start page, and then we say is current user current user name and current user provider. So we are not logged in. Log in with Twitch. Tim Van Monaro, Twitch, lockout. That's better. There you go. Lockout. Okay, link to lockout. Log out and log in with Mixer. Mixer is going strong. Tim Van Monaro, Mixer. Congratulations. And then that is dump as F Tim. Nano dot git ignore. Okay, can we? Can we do that? Head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and get push origin. That's better, I think. And then that's okay. So you guys see that code as well. So, who said? Khalid. Khalid, are you still watching, Khalid? You said you're a design professional. Is that true? Khalid, where you at, buddy? At Khalid. Okay, F. Rest in peace, Harley. Was nice with you, but it seems like he is gone. He left us. No problem. Okay, so what's the next step? The next step is we think about. I mean, that's okay. That's the most important thing. We can log in, log out with OAuth crap, right? So yeah. That's good. I don't know. He said that I don't know. I understand nothing from Ruby, but your project is interesting. And then he said, if you have questions about JS or design, I am here. So yeah, I got questions about design, bro. A lot of questions about design. Like, it's design, mate. So there are questions to be asked. Because we make this as a community project, right? So let's see if that shit works. The initial thing, Twitch, bam, I'm signed up. I log out, boom, I'm signed in, bitch. Ciao, Mixer, you asshole. Good, thanks God. And they said, I just read something. Let's read this quickly. And that was interesting. I show this link with you guys. Let me have a look. So what I just read is, I had a discussion here. What is the benefit? And he say this. It forces the user signing in to verify their wish to sign in event after granting permissions to the application in the past. Do we need this or not? I don't know. We can, you know what? We can write this on here in a maybe in a small comment or something, so that in the future we know there's something we can do. Okay, so then let's go here in the README and talk about models. So apparently there is a user and there is a donation. So yeah, there are cryptocurrencies, coins. Bitcoin, UCH, Dodge. I don't know, whatever. Litecoin. Okay, so those four probably the major ones for donations. Bitcoin, Cash, Dodge, Litecoin. That's the major thing for donations. And we need exchange rates, right? With Ruby Money. With Ruby Money as the bank. So we have the user. The user has something like settings, and then the user has a model for good questions. Oh, my food is coming. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 3 minutes. Alright, we're back. We are back. Can you imagine that? Alright, perfect. So, the user has settings. This is something I found in WordPress as a freelancer. Whatever it is, let's have a look. What the fuck? My backdoor? What? What? Backdoor equals go? Wow. Wow. Can you imagine that? Can you post that on Reddit, Programming Horror? Can you do that? That is insane. Wait, did you hire somebody? Who is who? Who is the client? Who's the freelancer? Oh, this is just here on the VM. I don't have AdBlock on the VM. That's counterproductive. This is for work. No AdBlock. Wow. They should sue the other guy, dude. That is insane. That is insane. My backdoor. They even call it my backdoor. Can you imagine how ridiculous that is? Oh, slash can you post it there? Reddit Programming Horror? That might be fun. Get a lot of karma for that. So, user has settings. User has... Okay, donation belongs to coin. Sender. Message is that, and then what we need is, it's a good question what we need is. We need that. Currency EUR, USD, THB, a value of 10. Hey Caparino, what's up, buddy? Yeah, we work on the new project. GitHub, and then there's here. I already built the login with Twitch and login with Mixer functionality. That was super easy if you know what you're doing. Yeah, the problem with GBP is that it's a currency that nobody uses except like 25 people who will be left over in Great Britain after the Brexit. So yeah, whatever. So and then we need coin and payment amount. And then you guys hear my dogs? What the heck, dude? I just asked my dog if she sings a song. No, she says shuts up. Weird. So yeah, value 10 coin payment amount. So then we need something like what do we need? If we we need something like I mean, the question is, if we generate a QR code for the user and he pays in 5 hours, what's happening? Can you guys tell me? Logically. So we have an overlay like this, right? And we say here, copy. There you go. So we say now, yeah, I want to tip now $10. Okay. And then I click tip and then he gives me a QR code. And I pay in 5 weeks. So what's the message? Is it $10 or how much did the guy pay? So we can say otherwise, so that's important for the overlay, right? Imagine somebody is like, yeah, I don't know. Because we need leaderboards in Bitcoin and in dollar, right? So you can have a leaderboard in dollar and it doesn't matter which coin you send. And we always track down the value of the coin at the time when you send it. And we say if it's sent within 10 minutes, then it's this value. Otherwise, we recalculate the value. So in case, it could be also more or less. And then we have to look with address reusability or something. Interesting. Address reusability. How do we do that? But yeah. Is there something missing for a donation itself? You say how much you want to donate, you select the coin, and we give you a QR code. Is there something missing? I don't think so. Exchange rate. Exchange rate, very important. Simple might be good, but we always need to know kind of like we need to track as much as possible for in the future provide great stats. That's kind of like it. It's rocket science. It's rocket science, right? No, this isn't rocket science. That's a problem. It's crypto. It's no rocket science. Hey, yesterday I've seen a video of a 13-year-old Google employee. Is that a thing? Who gets like $1 million salary? Is that a joke? He is rocket science, dude. I don't know. Is this a real thing or not? Just hype, dude. I don't know, man. The way he was speaking with 13 years old is really insane. What's the salary? Can't believe that. Dude, fucking $100,000 a year. Can you imagine that? PA per year, okay. Crazy shit, dude. So, I think that's all we need. Payment amount. Exchange rate. You don't see that red thing up? Oh, I do, because the PayPal account doesn't exist. I know. Because I just gave a PayPal account of ASDF, which is not existing. Because that thing is connecting to PayPal then fuck you, PayPal. I will never in my life do something with PayPal. If I have to pay something with PayPal, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. PayPal is, no. They don't. Okay, so we have we need overlays. We need an overlay. So what is an overlay? Oh my god, can you imagine an overlay? How complicated that must be. Oh, wow. No, I'm not. Look, I will never ever use PayPal again in my life. I just won't. It's cancer. I personally know people where yeah, the thing is, we have to provide an overlay as well, right? So that's actually crazy what we have to do here. We have to provide an overlay for the user. And we need a lot of infos there. Like, Maybe it's... So we provide a WebSocket. No, that's not what it is. You want something. Let's draw an overlay. We draw an overlay. So wait. I need to go 3, 2, 1. That's kind of like, wait. That's what we need. Okay. So this we can close. And then there you go. This is our overlay that we are talking about. So, oh, you see my overlay isn't even loading. What the actual fuck? You see that? Hey guys, we don't have chat? Oh my god, I'm not logged in. Can you imagine? Should I maybe... never mind. It's okay. Today we are good without... No, let me cut the stream. I'll be back in 3 minutes, guys.